Once the application is complete, dry the surface thoroughly and look for bubbles. If near the edge of the urethane, bubbles can be easily removed by carefully lifting the film, re-wetting, and re-squeegeeing the area. Remember to use plenty of moisture. It is also a good idea to let the material relax for a moment before re-squeegeeing. This allows stretched film to return to its original size and shape, and greatly reduces the chance for new bubbles or creases to form as the film is re-squeegeed. Another method to remove bubbles involves use of an air release tool. Use the tool to puncture the bubble at a corner and wipe or squeegee carefully to remove trapped air and moisture. Small areas where adhesive has not set may be corrected with heat and pressure from the hand.